Welcome back to our English learning series. In today's video, join us as we follow a casual conversation between two neighbors who unexpectedly meet in the morning. Let's dive into their friendly encounter and improve our English communication skills together.
On a beautiful day in a certain neighborhood, an unexpected encounter between two neighbors took place.
Good morning. What a lovely day, isn't it?
Good morning, Sarah. Yes, it's a beautiful day indeed. How have you been?
I've been great, John. Just enjoying the morning sun and taking care of my plants. How about you?
Oh, the usual morning routine. Trying to stay active and healthy. By the way, your garden looks amazing.
Thank you. I've been putting a lot of effort into it lately. Gardening is my little hobby.
Well, your hard work definitely shows. It's inspiring. Say, have you tried growing any vegetables?
Actually, yes. I have a small vegetable patch at the back. I'm growing tomatoes, cucumbers, and some herbs. Would you like to see it?
Oh, absolutely. I've always wanted to grow my own vegetables, but I'm not sure how to start.
No worries, John. I'd be happy to share some tips with you. Let's take a short walk to the backyard. So, John, when it comes to growing vegetables, it's important to choose the right soil and provide enough sunlight. Also, regular watering and occasional fertilization are crucial.
Yeah, I see. I never knew these details mattered so much. Thanks for sharing, Sarah.
You're welcome, John. Gardening is not only a great way to relax, but also a rewarding experience. Plus, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce.
Wow, Sarah! Your vegetables look so healthy and vibrant. I can't wait to start my own garden now.
I'm glad you're inspired, John. Remember, it's all about patience and dedication. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need any.
Yeah, thank you, Sarah. You've been such a helpful neighbor.
Now, let's move on to the review questions to test and practice your English skills. 1. What does the word encounter mean in the context of the video? A. A friendly conversation. B. A chance meeting. C. A heated argument. D. A planned gathering. B. A chance meeting. 2. What is the synonym for the word inspiring used by John? A. Encouraging. B. Demotivating. C. Frustrating. D. Disheartening. A. Encouraging. 3. What does the word flourishing mean in relation to the vegetable patch? A. Struggling. B. Dying. C. Thriving. D. Wilting. C. Thriving. And that concludes our casual morning conversation between two friendly neighbors. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English expressions along the way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to strike up conversations with your neighbors in English. Stay tuned for more English learning videos. See you next time.